is how much Fabuloso I have left. I'm heartbroken.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Metro Nicole, and today's video is another weekend cleaning motivation video. So on this particular day, I needed to get some stuff done. I had neglected earlier in the week. I just had a busy weekend coming up, and I was kind of short on time. So I went ahead and got some stuff straightened up, and I decided to start the kitchen first. Of course, I need to have my coffee. I'm just making some iced coffee this day. I just had the coffee and creamer. I did recently purchase the coffee serves, but I got the zero sugar one because some of them have high calories.
You guys, this is how much Fabuloso I have left. I'm heartbroken. I felt like I just bought this. I need to start getting the big jug from Home Depot or wherever I saw it. I think it might have been Walmart, but yeah.
I did go ahead and get the tub of Fabuloso. I think I ended up purchasing it from Walmart. At least once a week, I like to wipe down the counters and my cabinets. And I just remove all of the appliances or any home decor, and I'll wipe the cabinets and the counters with Fabuloso. Now, sometimes I'll use Pine Sol for in-between cleans, and if I'm just cleaning out the microwave or wiping off the stove and all the other appliances, I do like using a stainless steel cleaner, and I use Spray Away. They have that cleaner has been the best one that I found, and it helps minimize fingerprints throughout the week. And I can show you guys that in another video. I do feel like it's very important to wipe down your high traffic areas or high contact areas at least once a week if you can. It just prevents, all the germs and stuff from spreading from throughout the week. And I'm also going to be wiping the doors and doorknobs as well. Okay, now that everything has been wiped down, I'm returning all of the appliances, the knives, and home decorations back to their place. When it comes to the dining room table, I don't use a particular spray to wipe that down. I just use whatever I use to wipe down the counters, and I just wipe down the table soon after that. If I do use a spray, I try to stick with like a wood cleaner. I think it's by Glow. Now I'm just moving on to the living room, and I was kind of short on time, but I wanted to go ahead and at least get this vacuuming done. I don't know, I just love seeing the vacuum lines in the floor. Now it's towards the end of the day, and I was debating on if I wanted to clean the bathroom, but I knew again I had a pretty busy weekend. My niece just had a game that night. I needed to wash one of my daughter's hair to start the homecoming process for them. And the next morning, I was also meeting up with my sister and my mom for breakfast. So it was just kind of busy, and I do find myself just cleaning a lot of times at night because I already have so much other things going on. But to clean the bathroom today, I just mainly used Pine Sol in that Lysol cleaner. I wanted to make sure I use some type of disinfectant just to get the job done really quick versus Fabuloso. And I don't know if you guys have ever read the back of the disinfecting sprays, but they mentioned that to start off on a clean surface if you have a soiled area. So just kind of pay attention to what the directions are for some of the cleaning products, because I never really paid attention until I started seeing some other clean talkers mention certain things. And I just want to apologize now. I felt like I didn't get too many good angles when I recorded this video. I was also recording with my phone at the same time. And you know, when you record your phone is in one direction versus the horizontal camera. So I think going forward, when I film for longer content, I just only need to use my camera because I want to be able to zoom out a little bit better. So please forgive me on that. And this is me opening up the Old Cedar brush scrub attachment. Unfortunately, this does not work out for me. The attachment just continued to fall off. I don't know if it's just the Amazon brand, because when you go on TikTok, I see other ladies who don't have any issues at all. So again, I don't know if it's the brand, but again, I didn't like it, so I decided to just stick with the Dollar Tree broom. And then after I get done scrubbing, I'm going to use a microfiber towel on the Swiffer to mop that up. Now we've moved back to the living room, and I just wanted to vacuum the cushions. 9 in 10 times we do not eat in here. I'll have water, or I'll have my tea or coffee, but we only just drink. And it does show, in a sense, when I lifted up the cushions, we didn't have any crumbs, we didn't have any issues, but I decided to lift up some of them, and I just wanted to straighten up some things. Now I do want to, do some more decorating down here, but I have to kind of pace myself because everything I see is kind of expensive, and then before you know it, you have like about $500 to $600 worth of items sitting in your cart, and just now it's just not the time to be spending that type of money, especially when you have the holidays approaching. I think I'm going to work on trying to get some curtains down here, only because they just provide a little bit more privacy, because I feel like you can kind of see in between the blinds, and at night especially I just want some more privacy. But I'll get there, a little just taking my time with decorating. But anywho, I hope you guys are enjoying these small little motivational cleaning videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.